Hi, Yvette here from Together Sisters Create. I have 3 mini albums, and these mini albums are flex covers. The middle one here is the one that comes from Kathy King's tutorial, the mini flex that fits in the 3D football. So what I did is I took the idea and I made one that it will hold 2x3 photos and one that is 4x6s. So this one I already have a tutorial on, or a video on, so I'm not going to do another one. But this is the original size, and this one has holds 2x3s and 2x2s. And it's a really cute little mini album, and I just, like I say, wanted to see if I could make one that held smaller pictures or bigger pictures. So I'm just going to zoom in here. So this is a little one, and I just have a little pocket here with some tags, and I did put some magnets here, and I have put some photos in here of us camping, but this is what it looks like. And the paper pack that I used for this was a Simple Stories, and they have all these little cutouts in there, so it's kind of a nice mini album to use for a 6x6 paper pad. And then there's another 2x3 cutout here, and then some more photos. Me fishing. And then this, you could put a 2x2 photo there too. And then 2 photos there. Another pocket with a tag. And then we have another 2x3 card there. Room for some journaling. Another card here that I used just a little bit of the little cut out there. It was really cute to work on this one. I wanted to see how small I could make it, so. And then there, and then the last page is here. There's 5 pages in here. It uses her hinge, just a regular hinge. And then another tag here. And then this is the pocket on the cover. I did put magnets on this one because the pages are a little small. So that's the small one. And again, this is like the 4x6 version. And I might just zoom out for that one. So here we have a pocket here, a pocket here, and it's magnetized. 4x6 journaling card here, 4x6 photos. These are 3x3s, 3x4s. Here is a 4x4, 4x6. So you got a nice layout here and here. And then we have another pocket here. 4x6. Another 4x6 here. And then we have a 3x4. These are just little 2x3 or 2x2s from the snap pack. This is Say Cheese. This paper pack, it's an old one. A 4x4 cut out from the paper pack. 3x4s, and then we come back to the pocket over here. And then 3x4, it just repeats itself. I know some of you guys have asked if I could do some tutorials on some of these projects, but I have spoken with Kathy, and even though this is not the original one that she did, and I changed my measurements, I still can't do a tutorial on YouTube for you guys, so sorry. I did ask, and I can't, so. And then here's another pocket here. And then there's the back page with a magnet closure here, a pocket here, and a pocket there. And that is 5 pages. And I use cardstock for everything, even my hinges. And I use cardstock for these, for this page too. In her original tutorial, she uses Tyvek, so, but I used cardstock, and it lays nice and flat. I really like this one. So these are 2 mini flex covers. I really like how they turned out, and this is her original, and she has tutorials, so feel free to go and purchase the tutorial and yeah, make yourself some. And talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.